Hi everyone, Dane Carlson, Division Manager over at Seiler Medical Division. I want to touch today on the assembly of the pantographic arm when you receive the dental or ENT surgical microscope. The arm is already preset at the factory to be able to have perfect counterbalance for whatever is being held on the optical pod. So no matter where you go, you want to be able to move it with one finger and it stay in place. So with that said, I want to ensure that everyone does realize when you receive the arms that this arm is already preset. So if nothing is on it, it's going to be extremely tight and fly up, as you can see there. Okay, so what we want to ensure, right, when we're assembling it, I put the light source on the pantographic arm. We don't want to come here and go back to the knob that decreases or increases the tension of the piston arm and decrease that. Okay, we want to make sure that we bring this down and are able to insert it back into the pantographic arm without having to come back and reassert that. Because if you take this and bring this all the way to the negative where this can drop, okay, this has a bracket which could potentially break if this knob is all the way to the lowest power and this comes down and slams on there. So you always want to make sure that it stays either preset at the factory, or if you do decrease the tension on this, that after you do put this arm on, that you come back and readjust the pantographic arm to be able to hold whatever weight. Thank you.